And this is right in downtown Winston-Salem. And this is the old Salem Strollway, right down from downtown Winston-Salem. Pretty nice, I gotta tell you. We are now entering Old Salem. And we're going to just take a little cruise around here. Michelle's been wanting to see it. It appears like it's closed right now. But yeah, I know. That does not make it any less interesting. Because, quite frankly, I like to see the structure of the buildings. Of course, I'm hearing in my ear, off route, off route, off route. Because we didn't actually route coming in here. Now, this is a neat old cabin, St. Philip's Heritage Center. Just wanted to share this little clip of a trip through Old Salem. I found it incredible that this was within a half a mile of the center of downtown Winston-Salem. Hey, don't forget now, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, Internet, I can tell you, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels turning. Once again, we're out.